How to insert rows and columns on Microsoft Excel. In today's video, I'm going to show you doing both process in Microsoft Excel as well as on Google Sheets. First, I'm going to show you how to do it on Google Sheets. So if you want to insert a row, for example, right here, I want to insert a row on this a column on this edge column. So I just right click here, and if I want to enter a column on the left, I just click on left, and if I want to column on the right, I just click on right. For now, I'm just going to enter first one on the left, and again another one on the right, like so. This is a very simple task. So if you want to delete a column, you just select it and right click, and then you can see the option to delete the column. Same thing here, just select the column and then delete it. Now to insert your row, you do the same thing. Let's say if I want a row right here, I just right click, and here are also two options to insert one row above and one row below. I just click on insert, and this will insert one row above. Now if I want to insert one row below, this will insert a row below. That's a very easy task. So just to delete, you do the same thing, right click and then right click, delete, and that's it. Now I'm going to show you how to do it on Microsoft Excel. Now here I have opened a Microsoft Excel sheet, so I do the same thing here. If I want to insert a row right here, I just right click on this and then insert row. So for example, if I want to insert a row right here, I just right click on this like so, and then insert. This will insert a column, and to delete it, just right click and delete. Same for the row, just right click and insert, and then right click and delete. But if you can't see these rows and column numbers, then what you want to do is go to view, and then you can see the headings. So if you have disabled the headings, make sure these are enabled so that you can see all of the rows and columns. And yeah, it's as simple as that. And this is how you can insert rows and columns on Microsoft Excel. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.